when everything lies in disguise. How could I ever forget those eyes looking for my will? How could I ever know more when everything is held by a thread? And how could I ever feel you once again without losing my mind?